At Atlanta Gas Light, safety is our highest priority. Whether you're a professional contractor or just a weekend do-it-yourselfer, always call 811 anytime your work requires digging or excavation. Projects that may seem simple, like putting in a fence, mailbox, or even just planting a tree, require a call to 811 at least 3 working days before you dig. Why? You need to know what's below. Under your feet is a whole network of utility lines and pipes that run underground, delivering water, power, natural gas, and other services to your area. Damaging these lines could cause injuries, service interruptions, property damages, or worse. So dig with care. That means to call 811 or reach out via georgia811.com in advance of any digging project. Then your local utilities like Atlanta Gas Light are contacted to mark where their lines are in your project area so you can avoid hitting them. You should respect the marks and then dig with care. So remember, always call 811 before you dig so you can dig safely with confidence. Learn more at atlantagaslight.com/safety.